Good morning. Just a little update from LRA, Auto Museum and Sales. Let's do a little bit of walkthrough through the shop, kind of give you a background of how we bring our cars in and what we do and how we go through them to make sure that the customer's getting a really nice product. Here's a brand new car coming in the inventory. This car is really cool. It's 1969 Z28 radio delete, heater delete car from the factory, 488 gear car from the factory. One of roughly 65 ever built with a 488 gear. So you know whoever ordered this car new bought it just to go fast and go straight. Saying that, it still has the correct carburetors, GM intake, VIN number still on the block, down by the oil filter, air system put back on this car. It's going to be going up for sale within the next few days. Beautiful. Orlando just went through it, which we'll meet Orlando in a minute on this side. Look at the interior. Car's new, like brand new. Kind of give you an idea what we do. There's no ifs or buts. This is going to be up on the website. This is just a great car. The bottom's completely done. Spiral shocks, the whole 9 yards. This car is a great car. We got Mark here. This car came in with the old reverse chrome wheels on it. We're upgrading it, putting new Kriegers on it, give it the nice style. We just got done wet sanding the car, buffing it. All the emblems are off. You can see Orlando's making the car back to pristine, what it should look like. It's got a 396 period correct motor. It's not the original motor, but it is a real SSS car. It was born. The car was blue. The original owner, I bought this off one of the second owners of the car. He's owned the car since the early 80s. As you can see, we go through them, make sure they're right. Took the hood off. Hood springs were missing, a little too much play in the hinges. So we have a set of new springs coming with the hinges, so we'll take care of this. The bottom of the car has already been gone all over, color coded, suspension painted. Let me move this tire. You can see it's a drum brake car. That's what it is from the factory. But everything's painted real nice. But when we go through them, we pull the drums, make sure all the wheels, cylinders are good, brakes are good, suspension's good, anything do, we fix them before they get sold. Kind of give you an idea here. Come on, follow me over here, Ian. Here's another good car. It's going to be coming up. I would say this car will be done 2 to 3 weeks. This is a little more involved. We purchased this car. It's a 440 6-pack Cuda. Real nice car. This comes with a full Govier report. The doors are apart, no ifs or buts. This one needs a latch. We have the dashboard out. The gauges weren't working. So we're going all through the car. We have a few things ordered for it. We got 2 new gauges coming for it. That's what was wrong with it. As you can see, we got it apart here. Needed a new wiper switch. 1 and 2 was working, 3 wasn't. So these things are hard to get, by the way. But we got a new Chrysler switch coming for it. The radio wasn't working. That's already been sent out and fixed, and we got it back. Window regulators is bad, so we got a window regulator coming. We'll get it fixed up and go through it. Come on, Ian, let's take a walk over here. Here we got a really nice ZR1. This car, believe it or not, Ian, only has 7,000 miles on it. But from the car sitting in the customer's garage, it had an injector problem, had a miss in the motor, can't sell like that, surely. Don't want to hurt our reputation. But here again, this is another thing we do, and we have the capabilities of doing it in-house. But before we'll sell this to somebody, we found it had a bad injector, and these cars are known for the injectors go bad when they sit. We're going to put all 16 new injectors in it, make sure the car runs 100% right, and we did do an upgrade to stainless steel. That's supposed to fix the problems on these cars when they sit, so it will run right, and somebody can come here and buy a great car with confidence. Keep an eye on our website. This 70 Cuda should be available within the next 3 weeks, so keep your eyes open, and if anybody's interested, give us a call. LRA Auto Museum and Sales. Talk to you soon. Thanks.